Tommy Trader here. Nasdaq comp 52-week highs. Yes, we did. We are overbought. Over the next 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we'll have a big pullback. Never buy parabolic 52-week highs. AI stocks have fueled it, and that they have. And it's been a remarkable rally. This is the time of year that we look to see exactly just how strong it's been over the last 2 years. Now, having said that, let us walk you through every trade, entry, exit, stop. Sign up for the free 5-day trial. Don't hesitate. Don't wait. There's going to be a good-sized pullback coming as long as you're patient and you're willing to wait. It's going to take a couple of weeks, but there will be new buying opportunities before we make new highs. And we like to see markets pull back from overbought levels so that we can start buying the Nasdaq leadership stocks. They're overpriced, they're overvalued.